This is a showcase for my curved and interpolated Raycast solution for Unity3D. So let's jump right in. This example is in VR because it fits very well for things like teleport pointers. Alright, let's see how it looks right now. As you can see, it's at the most basic settings, so it's just straight, no interpolation going on at all. And let's see how we can change that. The first thing here is the Raycast type. Right now it's set to straight, but we want it a little more fancy. So let's go to curved and see how it looks now. Most of these settings can be changed at runtime, besides the visual settings, but we'll get to that later. So as you can see, it's curved, however it's still pretty jittery, which is why I added the interpolation. Okay, let's see how that looks if it's interpolated. Right now it doesn't have any interpolation at all. I have a couple presets and a custom curve, but let's see how the presets look. This is the linear ramp, which just makes it lag behind a little. There's almost no interpolation going on at the beginning of the array, but a lot of interpolation at the end. I'm gonna skip exponential because it's almost the same, but it's lagging behind more at the end of the array and less at the center. And the sine wave, which looks the best in my opinion from the presets, because it has this lagging behind in the middle, and yeah, it looks pretty well. So there's also a custom curve which you can map as you want, and the one I use is almost the same as a sine wave, but a little tweaked to be a little smoother. However, you can set it to whatever you want. Let's just as an example take this and see how that's gonna look. Okay, that's almost exactly like the linear or exponential ramp, but a little different if you hold it up like this. But well, there's a lot of stuff to play around here, so you can tweak it however you want. Alright, let's go back to my custom thing here for now. Oh no, that's the wrong one. Let's take the sine preset. Alright, next thing is the ray angle. I implemented this due to the nature of the VR controllers, because I personally didn't like the ray shooting out straight from the controller. So what I did, I made a angle value for the controller so that the ray doesn't shoot out straight but a little upwards. It's currently in controller space. I did not implement world space yet, but that is on the list. And obviously if you're in local space you can change the angles and all that stuff. So next thing, I'm gonna have to stop the plaything right now because this doesn't work at runtime. So let me actually start again. If you look at the line width, it's a little bigger in the center, smaller at the beginning, and you can change that however you want. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a really low line, make it scroll, and attach this texture. And then for things like VR telepointers, this works pretty well. So as you can see, you can customize it a lot. It works pretty well. And yeah, I'm gonna link most of the code in the video description, and thanks for watching.